Want to start making recurring income? Here's how to resell GoHighLevel directly to agencies. First, sign up for the GoHighLevel Agency Unlimited plan. This gives you the white label option so you can brand the software as your own. Add your logo, colors, and domain. Agencies will see it as your software, not GoHighLevel, which makes it easier to sell as a premium solution. Now decide how you resell it. You can charge agencies per account, bundle it with your marketing services, or even build niche-specific packages like real estate, fitness, or coaching. Use built-in billing and client management tools so accounts are created automatically when agencies sign up. And that's how you resell GoHighLevel to agencies. White label it, package it, and turn it into your own SaaS business. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more videos like this.